You know, learn another skill set. Learn Forex because you're trading stocks. Good for you. But when that ain't doing so good, come on over here to Forex because we killing it year round.
Like a pro, yeah, I'm trading like a pro, like a pro, making profit like a pro,
Gonna let them know. Bank on the phone, no, I don't need a loan, cause I'm trading like a pro.
we getting paid, huh? Stacking that money from the trades, huh?
Ay, we getting paid, nah. Stacking that money, I'ma teach you how to trade like a pro.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits. And guys, I am extremely exhausted because today is the day. It's the moving day. You can see all the little boxes here, everything, shoes. These are my shoe boxes, but I can't get no work done, guys. I'm trying to do Forex videos and I can't get no work done. It's crazy. Got my studio booth. We gotta break this down. My desk is dirty and dusty. All my cords are in here in the box. Guys, sorry, I apologize, but I haven't been able to do any Forex videos because my mind is exhausted from packing up. It's a good problem to have, but I'm definitely tired as ever, and it is what it is. So I decided to just record this video of the process. Can't wait to get back to work so we could talk about these Forex charts. I think that I'm gonna be pretty much all set up. I would say give me a week. Now I got some content that I previously recorded for times like this, so I'm gonna put them out there for you. Little clips here and there that's gonna be very powerful for you. But I'm gonna get back to regular schedule in about a week. But gotta get the moving, man. So today is the day, guys. The people are gonna be here. The moving people, cause I can't do it. My back is hurting. So, man, I think that's them up there pulling up now. I hear a big truck pulling up. So, hey, let's get it.
I remember when we said everything will happen, and we knew we'd never fail, we would never die. I wanna forget myself again, so that everything can happen. Will you please call me by my name and tell me little lies? We will never die. We will never die. We will never die. We will never die. On an island in the shade, the city is on fire. Kissing water from your face, the sky is in your eyes. Don't wanna forget a single day. Could it really happen? Will you please talk to me and do it straight and say that we won't die? We will never die. We will never die. We will never die. We will never die. It's gone around.
Guys, Guys, I'm so tired right now, guys. I can just go crawl up in that corner right now and go to sleep. But I can't. A man's got to do what a man's got to do. And that's to get this castle looking luxurious. Guys, boxes everywhere. Oh my God. I got to put all this stuff, all that's clothes in the bag. All of this stuff I got to take out and put together. Got a little goodie inside of there I want to show y'all. Bro, stuff everywhere, man. Boxes on boxes on boxes, man. It's crazy, man. But I love the spot. Oh my God. I got boxes down there. Oh my God. I don't even want to look at it. So I'm about to take a break from all this unpacking and stuff. And I'm about to take my wife out to eat. About to get one last little cheat meal in. And then I'm going to be locked in on my diet. I'm excited to lose all of this weight. My face been getting fat. Stomach looking fat. That's just my personal thing. I'm just not happy where I'm at right now as far as my health. So I'm excited to get all of this stuff situated. The house situated. Unpacked. And get back to the grind. Get back to waking up, doing my workouts. Get back to making this money. You feel me? Because health is wealth, man. So out here at our famous restaurant, our favorite, should I say, our favorite restaurant. We like sushi. We like, you know, Japanese steakhouse type stuff. That's what our favorite thing is. And you know, we celebrating for Valentine's Day. What you about to get?
I mean, I'm trying to get the sushi, but I'm looking at these prices. I don't remember it being that expensive the last time we came.
So what it went up or something?
Yeah. I mean, not much, but I mean, it's noticeable.
Man.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't care. As long as they don't get like $50 for a special roll, you know, $60 for a 6-piece roll.
Nah, that's major inflation.
Yeah. Man, that good old coronavirus inflation. That good old Joe Brandon, let's go Brandon. I feel like him being in office, Joe Biden and the coronavirus all made scarcity, right? Wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
Made all the prices go up. All the, you know, I'm in the process of remaking the house and fixing it up and redoing the basement. All the wood is super expensive. The tools to rent them is super expensive. Everything is just up. And I think that they raising the prices up on stuff that ain't even got no reason to be raised. It's just like, oh, we can make more money.
Yeah, they're taking advantage of the times for sure. So, Boo, I was reading this article about how the US dollar is falling right now. And basically, it's because of inflation. It's because everything is going up, like we were just talking about. Everything is just rising. Everybody's taking advantage of what's going on in the world with the coronavirus. And I just think it's crazy. I just feel like companies are taking advantage of us, you know, raising these prices. I mean, I know they got to eat too, but we working, you know, we don't just have money to just be throwing around like that either. Just bought a house, you know, if you haven't seen the video, check that link up above. But, you know, I mean, we just got to conform. This ain't the first time that it happened, you know, it happened in the past, but, you know, that's basically what's going on right now.
Yeah, well, I'll tell you what. We not conforming. I ain't conforming.
Nah.
You know, the coronavirus thing was unfortunate, but you know, we didn't suffer like a lot of people. Like relationships suffered because we couldn't be around nobody. But like, we was trading. You know, we was trading, making money. But let's put a pin in all of that money talk because the food is here. And we could talk about all that Forex stuff and that money and that dollar in a minute. You feel me?
Yes, baby.
Y'all see she got the same role as me.
Ah, man, cut it out.
She always asking for my food, so I told her to get her own.
Mm-hmm.
So what's that you eating over there?
The fireball roll, I think it's called.
That fireball roll. Give them a taste test.
Yeah, fireball.
Give them a taste test on
that joint.
I
mean, it's so pretty. They wrapped it so nice.
Well, you better dig up in that.
You know, I'm a little prim and proper.
Oh yeah, we love our sushi, man.
Okay.
Give them a little taste test. Is it still the same as we know it to be? Hey. All right, guys, so I was able to step out for a quick minute, and I wanted to kind of continue the conversation. I wanted to have dinner with my wife and enjoy my time with my wife, but now I want to continue that conversation that we were having, talking about the inflation, the US dollar, and I want to put a little, add a little currency with it, add another currency with it, and just kind of show you how I've been killing it in the market, and show you the reason why I kill it the way I do in the market. So check this out. So this is the Dixie on the daily. We only need to look at the daily because I'm kind of talking about an overall concept here. This video is not for the strategy. This is my theory on why I do what I do kind of thing. So the dollar, the dollar gonna fluctuate. The dollar ain't gonna be down forever now, guys. A correction is gonna be made, right? So I just like to kind of monitor what it's doing in the corrections with the Fibonacci, because the Fibonacci kind of tell you where it's going to slow down at, and if it breaks through, where it's going to go to, right? So as you can see, it was moving, and now you got a big slow up at this next level, which is the golden zone level, the 50% level. It can hold there and consolidate there for weeks. But if it breaks through, now we look at the next level going up. And then when we go over to trade, which is the second currency, GBP, when we go over to trade that, we kind of know what we're looking for. If this thing is going to push higher, then we're most likely going to be looking for sales on GBP USD, because they work the opposite. If GBP is going to be going up, right, then then it's going to consolidate. GBP USD is going to consolidate. But I'm here to tell you, I'm going to show you why I do what I do in a second. So that's the dollar, right? The dollar has been dropping, you know what I mean? Everybody talking about that. But it's on the rise. I mean, this is the daily chart. So that's on the rise for sure. Now we're at a key level where money is going to be made. This is the level where money is going to be made. It's at it right now. And it's prime time because it's like pretty much like February, the middle of February almost, kind of getting towards the middle of February as I'm making this video. And it's prime time to get to a money spot and make a big move, So we don't know which way it's really going to go. Everybody speculate. So all I do is get ready. All I do is get ready for it. If it breaks the top of this golden zone, we already know what we're looking for on the currency pair. I'm not trading the Dixie. I'm trading GBP USD, but I monitor this pair as I trade the pound dollar. But if it breaks the trend line, then I know what I'm looking for, on the pound dollar as well. So if it breaks the trend line to the downside, then I'm looking for, pound dollar to go up. So that's that. So now let's quickly go over to, I ain't gonna hold y'all long. I ain't gonna make this video too long. Look at this. Now this is the currency pair that you want to be trading. You can monitor the dollar, you can, the Dixie, and you can be looking at this currency pair, and you can monitor other things too. But I keep it simple, guys. Guys, if you listen to me, I keep it simple. I monitor when I'm trading GBP USD, I monitor the Dixie because it helps me, and I'm a scalper, a day trader. I'm in and out. I'm only in a trade for my session, and I'm done for the day. So that being said, look at all of the money that's can be made in this market. Look at all these ebb and flows in the market. Look at all these big pushes, big pullbacks, big pushes. Like, that's money to be made. Big pullback. This is the daily. So when I'm on the hour chart, day trading, 15-minute chart, scalping, getting in and out, you can see that there's plenty money to be made. This is daily candles, right? This is weekly movement, daily candles. You can eat. Let's go down to the 4-hour chart. I'm gonna show you the same thing. Look at the 4-hour chart. Look at all of the money that can be made. Now, you don't be getting in middle areas like this and trying to make some money. right? You got to know how to find these entry levels. You got to find where these money spots are going to be. You know, I'm circling them now. You got to know where these levels are going to be. And you got to study it so much and know it so well that you're confident to take it. You got to know that this level was going to start accumulating in here and start, the money was gathering at this level right here. You got to know that by looking left. Looking at the month, looking at you can look at the news and all of that stuff, but I'm not a fundamental trader. I'm a technical trader, hands down. You know what I mean? There's nothing wrong with fundamental traders. There's nothing wrong with that, and there's nothing wrong with technical trader. It's just your style. What style works for you, and make it work. And the more you know, the more money you can make in this market. So if you want to know both, then learn both. But master one in the beginning. All right. You got to know. Okay. Boom. You got to know that somewhere in this level, money is to be made. Here we go again. So you got to know that, right? Then all the way down on the opposite end for the drop. But it was the same level as this one. It's just flipped to the downside now. So this is the 4 hour. You go down to the 1 hour. Go down to the 1 hour. Now you start picking your spots on a tighter level. You know what I mean? You got to know. You got to know that this right here is money. You got to know that that's money to be made, right? I mean, why not? Why not? You got a low? Let me mark it up for you. A low point is made. A high point is made. What do you do? I mean, you guys already know this. I'm just trying to reinforce what works. Low and push the Fibonacci. This is the Fibonacci tool. Push it to the low, up into the direction. Set it to the low, push it to the direction. Boom. The direction was up here, right? Now, all you do is just already have this set. The price don't even come down yet. Price wasn't even down there yet, but you knew that was the level where the money was going to be made. You see what I'm saying? Replay it. This ain't hindsight trading. This ain't hindsight trading. Look, you got the low and the high. Now you put the Fibonacci on. You know what I mean? Now you put the fib on. Boom. Now you're ready. You're ready. You're anticipating the money move, the money grab, as I call it. All right? Now you just let price come to you. And you don't touch it until price come to you. Boom. Now, get ready to take your buys. All right? We want to watch it hold. Look at it sitting at the 50. Let me zoom in for you. Look at it sitting at the 50 right there for you. See that? Look at it sitting on the top of the 50, the green line right there. On the golden zone. All right? That's a money grab. All right? That's a money grab. Why not? So boom, simple as that. What's up, boo? Yeah, let me finish this dropping these gems right quick. Go in there, save me a seat. I'll be in there in a minute, all right? All right, little sugar. My little Nubian queen. I'll be in there in a minute. But yeah. So in here grinding. All right, she took my focus off. But all I'm trying to say is this, guys. The dollar is not going to completely go away, at least no time soon. I mean, it may one day, but it's been through a lot, and it's just how they just keep manipulating the dollar. They just keep manipulating it, making it's just up and down. It's just really making it so that we have more opportunities to make money. That's just how I see it. That's just how I see it. Because if the dollar is just standing still and dead, come on, man. Like Ripple or something. Like, what if the dollar was like XRP, just nothing? Just sit there like nothing. No money to be made. But the dollar is going to go through it with the world inflation and COVID and all this other weird stuff that happens. And it's going to be a down moment. But guess what? GBP is going to have an up moment. And then when the dollar redeems itself and everything's starting to level out or whatever, or the Fed start pumping money into the economy, then the dollar increases for a certain period of time. Maybe now GBP, USD is starting to tank. All right, I'm just going to sell it. Simple. And I'm just trying to reinforce what works. This is my theory. There's no strategy right here. I talked about everything I kind of went through, the Fibonacci, the 50, the trend line. I have videos on that. Go on my channel. Go on this channel right here, on my channel, J Take Profits, and search. Do a search. Trend line, J Take Profits. Fibonacci, part 1 and part 2, J Take Profits. 50 moving average strategy, J Take Profits. Like, look it up, guys. But I just want to show you, like, if there's money to be made, doesn't matter. COVID doesn't matter. Inflation, it doesn't matter. It's going to be money to be made. All right. You just have to be focused, present. All right. And fired up, disciplined, ready to go and capture this money every single day. At least 4 days a week. It's definitely money to be made 4 days a week, especially if you're a day trader and scalper. Okay. So that's my take on it. That's why, we kill it. And it just brought this up in my mind. The conversation when I was sitting with my wife, you know what I mean? She was talking about all of this stuff and the dollar tanking. And, I go play golf, guys. I ain't gonna make this too long, but I go play golf, right? And on the golf course, there's a lot of people that's investing in stocks and futures and options and all this other stuff, even crypto now, right? So they talk about, oh man, the market is down and oh man, I'm like, what is y'all trading? Because I ain't complaining like that. Like, I'm killing it. Me and Trend Trading Academy, all of my students and all of the people that's on the team, we killing it. We're killing it. And why is you coming in here crying about, oh, the dollar is dropping, all the markets are all dropping? Like, bro, you trading still in that old stuff? I ain't gonna say it's old stuff because people still making money, but learn another skill set. Learn Forex, because you're trading stocks. Good for you. But when that ain't doing so good, come on over here to Forex, because we killing it year round. All right, guys, I'm gonna end it there on that rant. I just wanted to touch on that based on the article my wife read and kind of our conversation. My wife be talking that Forex talk with me. You feel me? It's a beautiful thing. But I'm about to go in there, go chill with her now. The day has come to an end, but I just definitely had you guys in mind. So, hey, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to my channel, y'all, if y'all haven't already. So many gems and nuggets I'm dropping, y'all. I'm giving y'all a game, baby. All right, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and let's make this money, baby. Peace. I love y'all.